Hi friends. Today I'm sharing a super soft, extra moist almond cake recipe that everyone will love. This cake is rich, fluffy, and perfect for tea time or special occasions. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's get started. Preparation, 0:20 to 1 o'clock. First, take a cake pan and grease it well with butter or oil. Line it with parchment paper and grease again. Now add chopped almonds at the bottom of the pan and set it aside. Dry ingredients, 1 to 130. In a bowl, add 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. Mix everything well and keep it aside. Wet ingredients, 130 to 220. Now take another bowl. Add 3 eggs and 1 cup sugar. Whisk until light and creamy. Add milk and a little oil, then mix again. Now strain the dry ingredients into the wet mixture and gently fold. Finally, add half a cup homemade almond powder and mix until smooth. Baking, 220 to 245. Pour the batter into the prepared cake pan. Tap the pan to remove air bubbles. Bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius 340 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes or until done. Final touch and outro, 2:45 to 3 o'clock. Once baked, let the cake cool and apply glaze or syrup on top if you like. Your extra moist almond cake is ready. Kids and adults will absolutely love it. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video.